Hi, welcome. So this is a really good day. What we are seeing is a bullish trend. So, but we are at all-time high on the years. From the S&P 500, we are in the all-time high. We are trading in the all-time high. Yeah. So to go short, at least we want a confirmation, something like that. Until then, we are bullish. So that is my thing. We have a 4-hour gap here, but we can also say that we already to the all-time high. And share inverse all these levels, inverse all these key levels, just below this. So I'm looking for some kind of continuation from here to the all-time high. I think either we want an SMT to short in the inside this 4-hour value gap. We need a SMT to short inside this 4-hour value gap. Um, did this previously high on the London highs to go short, but when we have a still long here, we can long this condition only. Already take this London lows on ES. So we are bullish. We respected this value gap. We respected this value gap. We respected this gap very higher. Respected this gap very higher. Second, this chart trading higher. So yeah, on the lower time frame, we can get something like that. It will be great. Or else we can short inside this for February. If we get a shape of this size here, that will be far, far better to short. Is a shorting area actually. We can see here that we are kind of continuing is through the open range here. Okay. A lot of systems liquidity sitting below this area. Okay. We can either run through these levels, so around it, and if we have a much stronger, here we can say that we break the structure in the, actually we break the structure to the upside, falling outside. So, time half, concept chain of the minus. Yeah, let's see what we can do here. Studied a gap there, respected that gap to finish. And now here we can move to target after the free of in after we get inside the 4 hour if we get S&P. We are not showing the option. There is a higher chance that we will just what? We will just continue higher, 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 continue to opening floor. In that case, In that case, what we can actually do is just look for continuation setup the to the 15 of 5 gaps. Either one is good. His high is 8:35. This is also for 8:45. That is a 7 a.m. low. 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. high is only 1 2. Like 7 okay. I think this one is slightly wrong. Okay. My evolve from the lot of time frame. We have a typical but after we get that sweep of this area, that will be better to take this trade and we go heavy on this trade since we have the permission. Let's see how can we play this one early and the bullish, but our circumstances say we can go short. Yeah, we are open news. And let's see, there is an fallen news at 8:30. Um, the leader of this fallen speech. Chomsky, Donald Trump says, um, yeah, we run through this, how we run this. This is a perfect setup for shorts, but we have more gaps here. Let me take my setup. I will take a 30 seconds if present. We can get a 1 minute, I will take that. Otherwise, I will take a 30 seconds. We are closing about 26 seconds. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a quick shot. Now we have to wait for another 15 seconds. This is going to put our breakthrough one. We tap in the 4 hour gap. We swept the previous highs and the all-time high. Yes, really smooth. We left either. And we are dumping here. We should set these lows. Yeah, the price is not put out correlate. One is going down, one is going higher. Okay, we got an SMT with this highs once more. We tap into this 30-minute gap, 1 hour gap, 2 hour gap, 4 gap, 15-minute gap, and 5 minute gap. So probably a setup for longs. And we can look for continuations if doesn't. We swept these lows at 9. So these 924 lows is 9. These lows. This is 9. So this lows not swept. And 70 with this level. This still person like 732 or 732 this low. Right? Let's see if we can involve any of these newly formed gaps. We said we go long, but we need to go long somewhere. I think these are the draws that we already took this. Like this is 60, 55, and this is also this is 600. The same as this 600. Yeah, here we are continuing to the higher. Now we have a trade. We can take something like this. We can perpetrate this trade, but without confirmation. Oh, it's just 200. And then we go along here. The trading is up right now. We left this previously highs. We left we can reach I don't want this trade actually. I think I can go short from here. I will wait for this trade. Let's wait for this trade to get involved. It's a single leg, so because we doesn't actually we just tap into this previous day, we didn't actually invest that level. So yeah, overall bullish also. This is a trade that we can take, but let's see if we have Should I say this? I think after this get inverse, I should say, and then I should wait. For this shape is not very clear. Like this high is still there, waiting for to get swept. Yeah, you get that. This is our short trip. We will plan to take it. So we have time. Yeah, this is a trade, but not so good trade. This is an inversion, but continuing from nowhere. That is the reason here. Like this is a trade, but it doesn't get a continuation. Like we didn't continue from anywhere, so that's the reason I'm not taking that. Yeah, here we properly rejected that you are a liquidity with an SMD in this which is lows. So we should be aware of, should be extra careful before taking any decisions. This happened, but I can't take this as personal circumstances. I think there is a more of a bullish vibe here. I can't see any, like we are more bullish than bearish. We we didn't set this low, when we set this lows, we still have these lows here. Just like we said, this is just like pumping to the upside without us having a clear structure, without anything. Like we only have one thing to do, just fucking pump. That's the thing it is doing. This is the coming. We have a weekly high. We are at all-time high right now here on the year. So after we set the weekly high, we can also expect a small pullback. So anything here will automatically become an SMG. This is okay. See if we can invest this 30 seconds. Or inside, waiting inside is for how long? Closing in a few minutes. Better to look for continuation than looking for a shot. Looking for a quick shot doesn't actually do anything. Nah, it isn't inverse. It is stalling. And it is not inverse, it is stalling. Wait for this. Seeing this much bullishness, I will probably wait for a continuation. But the circumstances say we should start. What we can expect here is like this is a second, 50 seconds, so something like this can happen. Yeah, more likely that will happen for maybe a shortest level of skill. Like we have more draws here, but we have SMT with this highs. That's really confusing. You can get a clear one. Take that. Like here we have 3 minutes. Let's take this 3 minutes. Okay. SMT is with this high. I don't know about this one. And we took the weekly high. This is a perfect area to go short. Like this is the perfect zone. So either we go short from here, quick break even, then we look for like we go quick break even here. If we going short, we will get a quick break even, and instantly, suddenly we will go for looking for like a like this is our trade. Like if we inverse this is a solid trade. Otherwise, we are still liking. I think we can inverse this. After we inverse that, we are going to break here. I think we are not inversing that. We are able to reduce my risk. We have a 1 minute gap. Yeah. Let's see. Actually, this is a high risk if we take this shot, but it's a really wide setup. Like, look at this bullish definitions. I'm second guessing this trade. Like, we didn't invest that. The investment is not for, like, sold it. We tapped into this fine here. Let's see. I solved this trade because of this great rejection. I solved it on my real account. I will go quick break even. I am break even now. I shorted here. My stop it around here. It is around here. Come on, I TP'd several times. Like I got my 1 to 1. Now I got break even. Great. Like I tap into this multiple times. Uh, like I got my 1 to 1. This was my trade, but my stop is around here. I tap into this level multiple times, but it doesn't got filled. Around for $27 profit, but I got break even now. Great. It's okay. I got a break even. I said quick break even because of this reason. Like There is a good chance we will maybe stick to our plan so I don't regret that. Like here, the market says we can continue higher. There's no 30-second gaps here. There is not even a 1 minute gap. So probably not straight from here. Not even a clear continuation setup anywhere. No, look at that moment. I'm not selling this. We got perfect liquidity, perfect momentum. We didn't get any inversion or CSI. We don't even have CSID nor the inversion. So bad decision to take a shot from here. Like I like this 30 seconds. Like it was a perfect. Now we are 70. Like this will be a good shot for it is fall a bit. No, I don't think it will fall. That closes a little good. Yeah, I'm selling. I'm not short. Yeah, look at that sell off, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, man. What a sell off. I got out quickly. I got around 79 profit. Okay. Wait. I should have put it on here. This was the short, 30-second short. I don't want to hold it because you have heavy bullish, so that's why I am making fast break evens. This is a demo account for me. This is not a real account. We have crazy low resistance liquidity here. We will definitely see that there is a There is a 90-80% chance we will see these rounds, but there is I don't know if we get our actual setup to take these shots. That's my only doubt. What I will do is I will increase my and I will take it 20 and I will sell again. I like this setup from here. It's a good 30 second, but we don't have any 1 minute, so probably wait. Like we have news now. Let's see what the news will do. Let's remove our TP, which ah shit! I got stopped out. It's okay. This is just a gambling account, so it's not matter. Oh man, come on! Why should I put that here? Shit! What the fuck? He literally saved that everything. Wow, great. I literally. Oh, I don't take that one, man. Great. Ah, holy shit. What the Nirbhagyavan me. So okay. So was a crazy trade, man. It was a clean one, though. I just put it here because I think the news will cycle me out. Either way, I win, win. Not doesn't matter. Why doesn't showing a sweep? Why doesn't show him this? Let's see straight on. I don't know why it is not showing this data here. What is happening? Wow, that was really unlucky, bro. Come on. I didn't get a sweep here. Why am I not getting a sweep? We already swept this. Get them here. Yeah, now it is falling. We got a gap here. It's back. We will get probably get a 15-minute continuation longs. There is a good chance we will get a 15-minute continuation longs, but for that we don't have a valid setup either. We can do is just short blindly. Wow, look at that. What the fuck? Ah, that was a bad decision, but it saved me. So, very good. And my quantity 20 micro. Like this is 956 and this is 956. We switch the 950, yeah, 947. We set the 947 like here. So this is there is an SMG2, so it was a great shot. I should have stayed with my secret my bias for a bit. Actually, the news favored us, so that's why this done. Actually, our strategy is was the shot. I took the shot. I formed out multiple times. I think this is a perfect area to continuation long. This should come from. I told you guys this alarm will 90% will get swept, but I don't have any confirmation shot on that 1 minute. But probably most of the YouTube traders will do this because that is that much clear that it will get swept. It is so clear. We found a 30-minute gap. We have to get filled here to go long, say 50 minutes long. So should I take this long? I don't. I will wait for this 3 minute to get filled. There is a 1 minute inversion, but waiting for this 3 minute is our rule, so we should wait for that. We are heavy bullish, so adjusting our strategy a little bit doesn't mean don't fall back. So if I'm doing 1 minute, this minute for me, not my favorite. Okay. It's past the 3 minute also. I'm watching my 1 minute on my phone, so it's good. They will close in like 35 seconds. Yeah, except that during the worst. It's hesitating fingers. At that. Really, really, really worst. Oh man. I never seen this. I'm regretting. Let me remove that. Experiment can involve we can trade to the all-time highs. We can trade it to this rows like we already took this row, but let's say I think we inverse this level, but I don't think we will inverse. I'm lowering my risk, but I'm just taking my trade. For this trade, I'm only risking 50. I don't like this inversion. That's the problem. Should I take this? And we are not even call later. We have a pretty good reason to call over. I didn't take this yet, but I'm thinking whether I should take it or not. Like if the inversion is not strong, that's another reason. 25 I'm taking the 24 area. Should I go for that? I don't know. We don't have any SMTs yet. We don't even have this SMT. Like this is 10, this is 10. Like this is also 10. I'm only taking high quality setup. That's we made this week. Rajasthan, Chennai opening and there is that is the name opening law. Your favorite opens. You're gonna frame it and wash into the downside here. Oh, this is for the valid setup. I can just the SMT will be slow, like this is the 1030 low, so 130 low. Maybe we can long from him from here. I don't like this condition at all, but let's wait. Maybe we are overformulating things. We just need to wait. We are trying to trade internally, but that is not a good thing. I think we should short. We have equal lows below, have pretty good break-even zone. I'm shorting it on my real account. If the 3 minute got involved, which is probably will, but I'm waiting until this candle close. Nice alt. This is maybe a bad idea, but I don't care. Also invest the 1 minute, so I'm good. So here is my stop, and here is my target. I think we need to go lower. Let's see how this plays. Yeah, we are probably getting stopped out, but I am not closing. I am staying with my position. A pretty good level to target here, these years. We have a strong equal low below, like, yeah, maybe this is a bad idea, but I'm not closing. I am accepting my decision here because I see that this level here, like, look at this. Look at this level. This is exactly a good level for a continuation for it to upside. But still, I'm staying with this. I'm accepting my risk, accepting my mistake. There is a clear assumption. We set these laws, we set these equal laws. Like, these are the London laws. We only said that. There is a small chance we will get away with this. The problem here we have here is these equal highs and these high here. Yeah, I'm cooked. Not yet, but probably will. Wow, it is such a good, clean law. I will take it on my Chronos account. But on Chronos account, we only have this. So, um, I don't know if we actually get away with this trade. Still draw on $18 lows. Hmm.
I don't know if anyone take this shot, but for me it was a pretty nice shot. What happened here is we distributed here, but we hesitated to distribute here. Yeah, I got stopped out for $25. That's it. Actually, this top get filled instantly, but my TP there doesn't get instantly. What the fuck? Literally rubbish shit. Shit. Okay. We need a journal. It's like I said, I should stop overthinking about that. It's done, man.
Oh shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We get shocked. We have 35 points of it. This is a 10 stop. In that while we have a very about 50 so and we put it on YouTube Shorts. Very little. Oh, fuck me. This was our version for this was a perfect setup on the yes. Literally the best I've seen so far. It can literally target this without any doubt. It lose to this cat. I don't trade ESO. Doesn't matter. Ah, fuck that day. Second locked of this month. I should be more rush. I am really hesitated to take this trade, but I don't know why I took this trade exactly. Nickel lows just if you start tempting. This Warhammer is for our support. This weekly high is with us. Even though we are overall bullish, these higher time frame key levels help us a little to wash short. And this to the 15 minute gap. Look how things changed. Great. Let me just take, I will take this one here. I'll trade. I think we have not trades on both Monday and Tuesday. We took a trade on Wednesday that ended up in a low stage. Like, even though it is a 1:2 trade, I might take it on 1 to 1, but you can type it as 1 to 2. It has a mech with a 1 minute inversion, sorry, 3 minute inversion. We don't have any SMTs there. Like, if we look at this trade, this is actually a great trade. This is when we take this in 949, like this is the 949, 949 plus. This got SMT is around minus SMT here. This 946 and 949 can be got SMT. Look at this. This is 946 and 949. Look at this SMT. There was an SMT there, and we got an inversion in the 1 minute from the weekly high. So that is the reason for that break here. Let's type that. Next, that is a 1 to 1 trade, so one. This is a break even, so let's type the break even first. No PNL, like hit a big break even. That is a max with 1 minute inversion with a uh, SMT. So previous day PGI. Yes. So time of entry is 9:40, like 9:49. Yeah, 9:49. This is New York Times, so drove us to the 5 minute gap. Oh, look at that. Look at that fellow. Exactly from this level here. I wanted to show. And drove us this 5 minute gap. I think we have a 5 minute gap. I was targeting the 5 minutes. Not even reached the. There was an imbalance. Oh, it is a air trade, so because there is not much momentum with this trade, that is the only reason, bad reason. There is not a. I'll take it as a yeah. So it's air trade. It is air trade. Like we have had some cheese, a good inversion. We wait for the second candle to get a better displacement, but still that's not a bad trade. Lot of yeah. Yeah, yes. It's Wednesday. Sign that because everyone against and overall bias. This okay. I will make it as a B plus trade because that is not a very good trade. Let's make one more. Reverse.
RR was 1 to 2. PNL was minus $25. There was NQ and Vinyl was loss and entry was. This entry was nothing but like what is PDI? I don't know. Like it is Mac, but not not entirely Mac. PTI. What is PTI? It's like PDA, no. It's not even a PDA. Like it just consolidating at a like this is I think this is a bad trade. Very, very bad. I shouldn't have traded this. I will consider this a max because the high time frame is kind of max. We have the weekly high everything. Now some is the and going time of entry was around 10:15. Okay, the row was EQL and imbalance. Okay, this is an imbalance also. And we can see this is an imbalance. Yeah, very bad trade. I will wait. This is a big trade. Let's take the frame it. We have one win this month. Let's see what we can do the next month. Like after this manipulation, what we have. So this is a high quality combination. Oh man, what a bad day. I mark too much. I think too much. Literally psychologically damaged.